Hi guys, it's Lori again. I just got one little itty bitty thing to show you tonight. This is a wallet from JenofEve Designs, and it's one of her Friday freebies. And it is so cute. I don't know what the paper is, I just use scraps. But I put on the spine some ribbon and then some popcorn, see the popcorn trim, and some little flat fabric roses and some of those little cheater gems. It's so pretty. And it has a magnet closure, and when you open it up, it has some little pockets over here. You can add these little journal spots to, or you can just tuck pictures in. You can use this for whatever you want. And another journal spot. This is so cute. You have to go join her channel so you can see the Friday freebies that she has to give away. And the other side has this neat cutout pocket, and then again it has like the little journal spot, and it just tucks back there. This is so cute. And then in the middle I put a little album, like a little junk journal, and it has tags on each side that you can write in, and they slide back in there really cute. And this is like such a cute little album. And even these are like those little I made them out of packing material, these little pocket things. So cute. Each one has 2 tags, and each one has one of these little tickets. So, and then that's so cute. I tied it in a little bow. The other side is a little flip out. And a little guest check. This is, it's literally paper that they put on your donut, but I don't know what it's called exactly. And another little tag and some things that pull out. You can put a little picture there. A lot of writing, another tag. So, I wonder what I'm going to do with this. So, I'm going to list this on my Etsy for a phenomenally low price. And you will pay shipping. That's what you'll get this for. So, I don't know the paper line, and it's just a really cute little thing I wanted to make, because I rarely just follow like an online tutorial. Usually I need a written tutorial, but she just teaches you visually. You just follow her along visually. It's a lot of fun. So if you'd like this, head on over to my Etsy store and check it out. See you guys later. Bye.